you can keep track of jobs in your software. So in order to code something, like if you have an expense, you're going and buying a citrus tree that you're going to sell to someone, you have to have a job under that customer. You can't just code it to that customer. So if we are selling something to Bob, we would go into Bob and we would go to jobs, and then we would say, you know, Bob's front yard is our job, and click OK. Oh, and he is not taxable. You do have to have a description for your job. Okay. And then say we're going to the store and oops, which store are we going to? A nursery. We're going to a nursery and we're buying a tree for $50. And then we're going to bill it to Bob's Front Yard, landscaping. Yes. And then when we go to invoice, this isn't necessarily super different than what you would expect. I guess this is more of a feature that I just wanted to make sure that everyone knew was available. Oh, that's not what we're doing. We are doing import expenses. And we have to select our job. Where is our job? Here's our job, Bob's Front Yard. Now we can import expenses from this thing that we bought, and we're gonna say, we want this to be, don't I have a citrus tree? There we go. We're gonna do a markup of 50%. Okay, so now we have the $75 tree on the invoice that we would send to Bob. And this would, if you go in here to the reports, you'll see, I'm going to show you how those work real quick. Because at first it says there's nothing available, and you're like, I know it's available, but it's because you have to select the job. Where are you, Bob? So here we have our income and we have our expenses, just like we would expect. Ta-da.